Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today guys, I'm going with a traditional Christmas decor where I'm going to use a lot of red, green, white and other colors. Guys, I always keep my home like neutral color whenever it's Christmas, but before I change everything, I always come with some traditional Christmas decor ideas for you guys. I'm starting with this placement that I get from Home Goods, and guys, it's a time for you if you love bling, so go check them out. And these beautiful chargers, I get them from Hobby Lobby sometime, I think 4 years ago, and they still holding on super nice. And guys, those beautiful Christmas plate, I get them from the thrift store. Guys, I love them. I never use them, but today is the day. Guys, before I continue with the table, I have a video collaboration. And guys, if you're looking for the look for less, this is the one. And guys, I'm working in the Christmas season gift guide series. So guys, I always bring you some good things so you can like affordable, so you can buy if you need to gift it as to a friend, to yourself, to your family. And guys, this one is another good option if you want to look on a budget. It's the dupe version, and I look for the original and the dupe. So guys, there's no difference, there's no big difference, because it's exactly the same as the original one. Guys, if you want to look without the breaking the bank, like I said, this one might be a good option for you. As you can see, it's very nice. I like this color because blue, royal blue, is one of my favorite. Guys, you can always choose other colors or other styles if you want. They have from handbag to shoes, purses and clothing, everything. So I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below for you. If something like that interests you, you can go ahead and check them out. As you can see guys, the quality material is very nice. So if you buy it, you're gonna have a decent quality for the money that you're paying. And like I said, if you don't want to break the bank while you're working the style, so this one might be a good option for you. I get the size 10 male as for my son, so he loves them. And guys, as you can see, the inside out is super nice, so there's no difference. The bottom is very nice, and the quality again is a very good quality. Yeah, so you're gonna have the quality without breaking the bank. And guys, I really like it the way they made it, super nice. And as you can see, the bottom, there's no difference. The only thing is the tag price. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below. If you want something like that, you can go ahead and check them out. As you can see, when my son wearing them, and he told me they are very comfortable. So guys, if you are looking for something like that, so make sure to check the link down below. If you don't like the blue, if you don't like the styles, like I said, you can always check the other one. They have so many variety of style and colors to choose from. And guys, you know, it comes with 2 lists, and if you dirty one, you don't have time to wash it, you can always use the second one. And if it get messed up to anyway, so you have another backup, it's nice. And guys, as you can see, everything look very nice. So from the original price, from the original one, the only difference is the tag price. So guys, the link of everything will be in the description box down below. If you want something like that, make sure to check them out. And guys, as you can see, they're very nice, very comfortable. Okay guys, let's go back, finish up the table and keep on watching.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. As you can see guys, I showed the part when the light turned off first. It's Christmas guys, there's no Christmas without light. Plate are very beautiful, I really love them. And guys, if you want the look on the budget, you don't feel like to break in the bank, so you can go ahead buying clearance, the thrift store, and other good stuff. You know, my channel is all about make your home looking nice without spending money.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow is
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. C'est la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça montre nous qui j'aime décorer salle à manger moi pour Noël. So, si tu as aimé décorer salle à manger rouge avec l'autre couleur, so vidéo ça a vraiment aidé. Bon idée. Ok guys, c'est pas la première fois, tout le monde vous merci un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Guys, I really love eating dinner with candlelight. So if that's something that you like guys, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And I put them side by side. If you like the daylight, the light, and the before the dark, so the dark times, all of them in one video guys. You can check them out to see which part that you like better. And guys, there's, like I said, there's no light without Christmas. So there's no Christmas without light. So I love when I set up my table, I put light on it so to make it look extremely gorgeous. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon ami, merci guys, s'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore ma salle à manger pour Noël. Si vous aimez beaucoup de couleurs quand vous décorez votre maison pour Noël, cette vidéo-là va vous donner beaucoup d'idées. Si vous n'êtes pas ici pour la première fois, mes amours, je vous dis un très grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. And guys, I'm currently working in the full apartment, so where I'm going to give you a tour very soon, guys. You don't want to miss out because, you know, I love to put light everywhere in my home. The apartment is very small, but guys, hey, that's what we have. So the size do matters, but sometimes when we don't have the size, we have to use what we have and make it extremely beautiful, guys. So I really love the way I'm turning my apartment for this year. So make sure to come back to check it out. And guys, I have a couple items that I'm going to share with you guys in my holiday season gift guide. We still have time to just, if you haven't bought anything yet, or you know, the late shopper like me. So guys, this coming season is very, videos that coming up will be very helpful to you guys. Okay guys, that was all for today, and I just want to let you know guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a very big part of it, and I will never be where I am today without you guys. And thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.